I'm making a coconut dessert called Kisses. Hi, today I'm making a dessert called Little Kisses. In Portuguese they call beijos. A tablespoon of butter, 1 can of condensed milk, medium heat. I'm gonna add the coconut, 1 cup of coconut, shredded coconut, unsweet shredded coconut. It's very similar to how do you do the brigadeiro. You need to cook, and when the coconut and the condensed milk is sliding from the pan, it's time to take it out. Plate. And you're gonna have a little balls, and we call them little kisses. You can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna make a coconut ball. Then I'm gonna coat with the coconut, shredded coconut. Before you start rolling the little balls of coconut, you put a little bit butter in your hand for make it easy. Easy. I put cloves in the top. This is Brazilian kiss. For you guys who love coconut, this is a very good, easy dessert to make. And for kids' birthday party, we make a lot of fun in Brazil with the kids' birthday party. We make the kisses, little kisses, we make the brigadeiros. You find a table full of different kind of brigadeiros. Brigadeiro you can make with dark chocolate, white chocolate. You can, the kids have fun. And it's very easy to eat, it's 1 bite.